awesome. The water's clearing up. There's more sediment on the bottom. I have to figure out how to get that out of there. But the system is working. It's done. The flow rate is okay, I found out. My bell siphon is working. My grow medium is in. My tank is working. And my siphon's out. The grow medium puts this brown dirt on the bottom, but this was so muddy you couldn't see through the water. Last night and during today, it's filtered itself out so that it's clear, and the sediment from the grow medium is on the bottom. I just have to figure out how to suck that up off the bottom. But talked to the guy online, they wrote me back and said that even though this was filling and emptying rather quickly, see it's already back up to here, for he said a small tank, that's not bad. It's okay, and that's not too much water for the roots to be in. They're getting some air. So it's good. It's running. I gotta leave it a while until it gets some bacteria build up, so I can put some fish in it, and then after the fish get it neutralized, we can put plants up on the top. And there's my bell siphon working perfectly. I'm so happy. I've done this thing about 4 times now. Look at that go. That's awesome. There's all the oxygen going into the water. Oh, the fish will be so happy. Look at that. Cool. Shuts itself off. That's it. I'm happy. Here we go. Success. After we get fish and plants, well, fish first and then plants, we'll do a follow-up.